Hey y'all, so I just got done doing my hair. Stay tuned. We have hope. The girlies that don't know how to do hair, bro, it's hope for us girlies that don't know how to do hair. Oh, if I could do it, you could do it. If I could do it, you could do it, boo. Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Deja, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Alright y'all, so right now today is hair day. I told you guys that I am trying to be Miss Always Got Her Hair Done on a budget, all 2025. About a month and a half ago, I installed my first 2x6 quick weave. I learned from my mistakes and I'm ready to install my first full lace wig. I know that's a crazy jump, but we getting right into it. So the first mistake I made before was I did not bleach my knots. So this time I call myself bleaching my knots. I feel like I did a good job. But let me know in the comments what y'all think. If this is bleach or should I bleach it longer? And also I call myself plucking it also. Like, yeah, get into the pluck. So it's time to install it.
I started by putting my ball cap on. I got these HD wig caps from Amazon, and I just cut the ears out and they got to be on it.
Put this band on here. Alright, so while my ball cap chilling, first thing I'm gonna do, I guess I'm gonna just spray this inside to try to make it like more. While it's sitting there, just do whatever it gotta do. I guess it gotta dry.
The glue I use is Bold Hole. I got it from Amazon also. Don't go to the hair store. I heard they be giving out fake hair glue at the hair store. Y'all better move wisely. You're supposed to let it dry clear and then do another layer. I'm realizing I only did one layer, but it lasted, so that's all that matters. Make sure you cut off them extra tabs right there on the side if it's too big, and then use that comb to press that lace down to get that glue nice and stuck. Afterwards, make sure you retie with that melt band as you see here and start styling your hair. Right here I'm giving myself a deep side part, so make sure you give yourself a nice little curve. And to get that side flat, you better grab that hot comb and that wet sticks. That's all you need to get that side flat.
Alright y'all, so it's time to cut the lace. I'm scared. I feel like it's looking decent so far. So I'm gonna put a slit right here. The slit right. Oh, that's looking decent. That look good. So I fixed it a little bit more. The whole style looks decent, and that is a. So make sure you give your girl a like, a comment, and a subscribe. If you like my hair, not even if you like my hair, if you like my effort. If you like my effort, if you like how I was in here really trying to chef it up and really get the thing going. Alright, y'all, so like what? I'm so happy. I feel like it came out like so cute. Let me know in the comments if you think it came out. There's hope for us girlies that don't know how to do hair at all. If I could do it, you could do it. If I could do it, you could do it, boo.